Maybe it's true you never learn past the point of no return, and you're so sad.